Hey class 8, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing here our question number 10 of chapter 4 direct and inverse variation worksheet 2 DAV Maths class 8. So here this is our question number 10. 6 pumps working together empty a tank in 28 minutes. How long will it take to empty the tank if 4 such pumps are working together? In this question we have given that 6 pumps when working together they take a time 28 minutes to empty a tank. So we have to find here how long will it take to empty the tank if 4 such pumps are working together. Here we have to find out the time taken by the 4 pumps to empty the tank here. So firstly we have to make a table here. I write here answer. I make a table here for this question. I write here number of pumps. In first line I write here number of pumps. Then in second line I write here time taken in minutes. So number of pumps are here 6 pumps. Take 28 minutes. I write here 28 here. Now we have to find the time. I write here x and the number of pumps are 4. When 4 pumps working together, we have to find the time taken by these 4 pumps to empty the tank here. So I write here 4 here. Here 4 is smaller than this 6. 6 is greater than this 4. Now here the quantity is decreasing. So from here this quantity is decreasing. 6 pumps take time 28 minutes to empty the tank. Now here the number of pumps are 4. So they take more time. So they take more time than the 6 pumps or than this 28 minutes to empty the tank. So this quantity is increasing here. If one quantity is increasing and another one is decreasing, so this is a case of inverse variation. I write here, so it is a case of inverse variation. And we know the formula to find the inverse variation is product of AB is equal to constant. So I write here 6 multiplied by 28 is equal to 4 multiply x. Now I have to find the value of this x from here. I write here x is equal to 6 multiplied by 28 upon 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. X is equal to this 6 multiplied by 7. X is equal to 6 7s are 42. So here I write 42 minutes. I write here x is equal to 42 minutes. So when 4 pumps are working together to empty the tank, it takes 42 minutes to empty the tank. So that's all in today's video.